I'm Peter, Peetje on the website. This OMNICAMP was a huge experience with Oscar and Mike and Joe and everybody here, and Oscar's family as well. They are great. The kids are awesome, and the whole experience here has changed my way of thinking and looking at trading and implementing everything, and it is really an experience. I recommend it to everybody. It is, of course, a lot of money, but it is unbelievable. If you have a chance, you have to do this. You learn all the ins and outs and what to do and what not to do and what to look out for. It is unbelievable. Thank you very much, Oscar, and the whole team and the whole family. If I ever come back here, I'll come straight and visit you guys. Thank you very much.